Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I made 2-ingredient double chocolate fudge. It's really good, so let's get started. Alright, so get a wash bowl and put in about 350 grams of milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate. I'm using these milk chocolate chips. I just put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds at high, give it a stir, and repeat that until it's completely melted. Once the chocolate melted, get your favorite chocolate frosting. I'm using a butter cooker. I put all this in the mixer bowl. This is about 150 grams. Now add the melted chocolate to it while it's still warm. And now just mix this together until it's nicely combined. Now get a good sized baking tray. Make sure you grease it really well and put the fudge straight in. Okay, once you smooth it all out, put this in the fridge for about half an hour to set and we'll see what we get. Alright, now that the chocolate is set, what I did was I cut them into pieces. Yeah, you could be creative and cut them whatever size shape you want. And yeah, these are pretty thin, so if you want a thicker fudge, get a smaller baking tray. So, yeah, I mean, this one is pretty thin, so just be creative, do whatever you want. Now, time to taste it. Well, I forgot to show my recipe for double chocolate fudge, as you can see. Oh, so good. So, let me try it. Oh, so delicious. Oh, beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Monday for a new recipe. Peace out.